marks the end of an era of generations in hosting the reunion. Next year begins a new era as the pioneering batch of the K-12 will pave the way of a new beginning. And tonight, let's relive and rekindle wonderful memories and let our boisterous laughter echo in our hearts as we enjoy the night of spectacular glitz and glamour. Again, welcome and let the grand party gala begin.
Gusto ka na pagmasdan kung saan ka na tinalay ng iyong magigaling sigaw ng puso ay pagbibigyan. Maipakita ang talentong dapat ipagsigawan. Pagkabang ng paa simula ng paglalakbay, sa bawat pagkapas ng kamay ang malakas ng tabay, sa bawat pagtalon at pagpapaw, bawat tibok ng puso nag-aalang at susi sa napagpanayan.
We go back home because we cherish memories. We go back home because we cherish relations. We go back home because we wanted to nurture what we have begun 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years or more ago. We wanted to be back home because that is truly where we belong. And St. James High School of Buena Vista will always be your home.
Ending the program with a bang, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's all welcome back batch 2015, 2016, and 2018 in the grand final prediction.
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said your love and dance with me. This moment is my destiny. Just said ooh, your love and dance with me. The victims of the giving coffee, they come tonight. Helpless, you hold and breathe. Hold me, we're going to get together.
come on, everybody. Eyes on me, I say hold me back. Shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Everybody, let's turn on mobile flashlights. Come on, hey, let's all jump together. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, host match 2015 for the next host match 2016 and 2018. Maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the program. But the party will continue here with our guest band tonight. And syempre, ayaw nagawa hanggang 2015 of 2016, 2018. Come here. Let's celebrate the night here with all of you. And of course, para sa tanang mga batches na natin karon, let's continue the night here with great music and of course energy coming from all of your batchmates, friends, and colleagues. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start the party here as we welcome our guest band tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have here the Mirror Streaks. And the party starts in 3, 2, and 1.